Welcome back to the shop. Maker's Mark and Coke. I'm not doing any cutting, I'm not working on anything, so we're fine. I wanted to bring you guys in and give you a shop makeover update. I got half of my cabinets done, 2 drawer banks. The reason that I did not film that is I wanted to do some proof of concepts. I wanted to build it, see what kind of issues I was going to have, and then bring you guys along for the next set. I think that it would be, I thought that it would be a little more, streamlined that way. But I had a couple of disasters. So the first disaster, let me show you this here. And the reason that that happened was that my Delta table saw with its stock clearance plate, throat plate, whatever you want to call it, it's got these little grooves right there that sit just a little lower than the table itself. Now, when you're doing a quarter drawer, you set the blade a 1/4 inch from the fence. It's a 1/4 inch high, it's a 1/4 inch dado blade. I'm sure you've watched videos on that. If not, go check out some videos. But what I found was that when I was running the fronts and the backs, you have to stand them up and run them against the fence. It was catching up on that little divot, okay, in the throat plate. As this met the table, it was catching up, and I had to kind of rock it back just a little bit to get it to go past that. My drawers also have 1/2 inch plywood bottoms, which are run through the quarter method, so that they come flush on the bottom, fit into that 1/4 inch groove, and everything should be good. But what ended up happening was that was catching, and I'd have to rock it back a little bit, as I'm trying to rock the piece of plywood back. I'm not paying attention to where it is on the fence, and it kind of so as I was doing that, the cuts kind of got a little inconsistent. I'm overall happy with the drawers. They came out great for shop cabinets. Everybody says that, but I truly mean that. I'm trying to learn a lot building these cabinets, and I'm trying to kind of show you guys, especially the huge number of people that bought these Delta table saws. There's one upgrade that you need to do, and that is 0 clearance throat plates. I got these on Amazon. They're 0 cert. Two of them have a slot cut out for a riving knife. One does not. This will be guaranteed my 1/4 inch dado stack 0 clearance insert. So I shouldn't have to deal with that again. I'm going to put a link to those down in the description. I'm trying out this Amazon affiliate thing, and really that's my first affiliate link. So if you've been looking for 0 clearance insert for your saw, for your Delta table saw, and there are some other ones, but for the Delta specifically, go ahead and click that link and buy them. I mean, it's perfect quality. Now, when I test fitted this into my table saw, it is just a touch wide, and the instructions tell you that it's meant to fit tight in the slot so that you can sand it down to get the perfect fit, okay? And that's really what we want, is the perfect fit. these tool manufacturers do not necessarily, they do not necessarily have a strict tolerance on, you know, what that throat plate's going to be, so it could vary a little bit. So so Zero Cert gives you the opportunity to sand that down perfect for your table saw. The other horror story is the drawer pulls. I have a Craig. I love Craig tools, I'm just going to say that. I have a Craig cabinet hardware kit. Comes with this drawer pull alignment jig tool thing. That worked great for the 6.5 inch drawers, not so much for the 13 inch drawers. That's not 13 inches, okay? There's no way I could center a drawer pull with this. Let me measure it. I need to find a tape measure. There is no way to center a drawer pull in a 13 inch drawer with a 7 inch jig. Well, maybe I could with some math. But what I did on Amazon again is I bought this King and Charles kit. I have not used it yet. I was able to do a lot of measuring and marking and whatever to get the 6 drawers that I currently have. I was able to get those done with, you know, just measuring and marking and whatever, and it was really a pain in the ass. So the other cabinets that we're about to do, I'm going to be able to use this jig and get perfect centers all the time, not have to worry about all the measuring and stuff. So this is the cabinet I built. This is what the other side's going to look like. Like I said, I did this off camera. I wanted the proof of concept. At first, my design was shaker style fronts. I was going to do all drawers. Now I decided to, because I had some leftover 3/4 inch plywood, I just went ahead and made the drawer fronts out of plywood. I'm fine with that. It's shop cabinets. I may edge band them, I'm not sure. Also, I've decided to do 2 cabinets. One is going to be for a trash can, okay? I want to be able to put a little trash can in there, and a door would probably be best. I thought about fake fronts on one main drawer that you could pull out. I may or may not do that, who knows, really. We'll see. But I'm making the video this weekend. Today is Thursday morning, 2 in the morning, okay? So this weekend I should be filming the cabinet build, the drawers, let's see, the face frames, the drawers, putting the slides in and doing the top this weekend on the 3-bank set, and that will finish off the miter saw station. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, click the links down below. I have the 0 clearance inserts for the Delta table saw, and I have the King and Charles drawer pull or drawer hardware jig that you can get on Amazon. I guess I get a few pennies on that. I'm not really sure. I'm trying out this affiliate thing. And if you like what we're doing with this garage, with this shop, I'm going to stop calling it a garage. We're going to start calling it a shop. If you like what we're doing with this shop, hit that subscribe button, because we have a lot of upgrades we're going to do. We may move everything out of here and do some epoxy on the floor. I don't know. I mean, we'll see. But thanks for watching this update. Stay tuned for the next cabinet build. It's going to be a little more informative, and hopefully I can perfect the quarter method with these 0 clearance inserts. If I can do that, I really prefer that over pocket screws. I think it's a really, really strong joint, and should give me years of service. So that's what I'd like to do. If not, pocket holes it is. If I can't perfect that with my current setup, then I'm going to go ahead and do pocket holes. So, all right. Stay tuned this weekend for, well, I guess it's going to be episode 4. We'll call this episode 3, or maybe we'll just call this a shop update. I don't know. Anyway, stay tuned, subscribe, see what we got coming out next. All right, thanks for watching.